the complete guide to becoming an Amazon influencer, everything you need to know. Hey, how you doing? I'm just putting some stuff away after my live stream. So you guys want the complete guide to becoming an Amazon influencer, everything you need to know, right? Everything you need to know. Well, first thing is it ain't all peaches and cream. And everybody's pushing this program, okay, like it's money falling out of the sky. It's a very lucrative program. The earnings potential is great. I'm going to tell you, working part-time, I was working full-time, almost 60 hours a week in my regular job. And within 3 months, I was making $1,000 a month passively just from the videos I was doing. And it just grew from there. Okay. So, I mean, within 3 months, this thing's taken off. All right. So that's the earning potential, basically, right? But it's not for everybody. It's the Amazon Influencer Program, okay? Influencer Program. So it's called the Amazon Influencer Program. Ergo, you need to be an influencer already to be an Amazon influencer, right? You need to have a following on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, right? So you're already an influencer. If you don't have a following on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you're going to have trouble if you can't bring an audience over to Amazon, because the Amazon Influencer Program is what they're calling on-site traffic, okay, which means you don't bring the traffic to Amazon, okay, it's already there, okay, the people are already on Amazon shopping and they find your content, okay, so it's on-site traffic. You're not driving traffic to Amazon, okay. Amazon doesn't really, as opposed to what you might be used to, an off-site traffic, which is your Amazon Associates program, your Amazon Affiliate program, where you're using affiliate links to drive people to Amazon to purchase products. On the Amazon Influencer program, you don't drive traffic. The traffic's already on Amazon. So you have to be an influencer, but what kind of influencer? Basically, you have to, have sway over your audience and be able to influence them for buying decisions. All right. So everything you need to know. Ways you can make money with the Amazon Influencer Program, right? Well, first of all, you apply with one of your social media accounts that your best social media account that has the most following, the most engagement. Engagement's key. Okay, engagement's key. They want you to be engaging with your audience. You're an influencer after all. So engagement is the key. Engagement's the key to get approved. So once you're approved and you're a member of the Amazon Influencer Program, you're not out of the woods yet, okay? You're not out of the woods yet. You still have to get approved for placement. So basically, the ways you can make money online, when you become an Amazon influencer, they give you a storefront, an Amazon storefront. Basically, it's a web page, and you put your content on this storefront, okay? Photos, videos, and live streams go on there. Now, everybody makes the mistake. They get approved for the Amazon Influencer Program. They start dropping videos one after the next, thinking that they're already approved for the program. You're an Amazon influencer, but you're not approved for what they're calling placements. Okay, you'll only be found on your storefront. Okay, your videos will only be on your storefront. They tell you to upload your first 3 videos. Upload 3 videos and stop. Now, those videos have to be the best videos. They have to be best lighting, video, audio, content. There's a bunch of rules you got to follow. I have videos on that if you need to know that. Okay, but those first 3 videos, you need to get approved. And you only have 3 chances. If you get denied 3 times, you're done. Okay, you're done. So you need to follow terms and services, best practices, figure out how to do it right the first time, get approved. Because you're not approved just because you're an Amazon influencer. You have to be approved for placements, and those 3 videos are what count. Watch some of my other videos. Don't upload any more than 3 videos. Make your 3 best videos and upload them and wait. So it's taking up to 2 months right now to get approved for placements, but you're going to have to wait it out. Okay, you're going to have to wait it out. After you get approved, after you've been approved for placements, you're going to start doing videos on everything in your house that was sold on Amazon, right? You're going to run out of things. You're going to have to start buying bestsellers, and that's when it starts getting interesting. Some people are investing money in buying products. Other people are getting products sponsored for them. And there's different paths to the Amazon influencer program. Some people are making better than others, but it's a big enough pie for everybody. If you don't have a steady flow of products to do videos on, you're going to have a rough time. The people that make money on this program have thousands of videos up already. You're going to see videos of people within a month making money. And it's true. I was making money within my first 3 months. Like I said, I was making $1,000 a month. So there's two types of influencers, basically. There's influencers that have an audience already, and they're bringing their audience over to Amazon. They're bringing their to Amazon Live, to Amazon Shoppable Videos. They're sending out emails and driving traffic to Amazon. Amazon loves it when you drive traffic. Okay. Then you've got influencers who got approved, who don't have a big audience, who don't have an audience that they can drag over to Amazon. Now they have to build an audience on Amazon. It's not so easy. People are talking about this program being hand over fist, making money, and it's a very good program. Okay. But if you don't have a following already, if you don't have an established audience, you still have to build an audience. The traffic is already on Amazon. Don't get me wrong. You're not driving traffic. Okay. But you still have to build an audience, right? This program is worth applying for. It's worth getting approved for. It's worth waiting the 2 months to get the proof of placements before you do anything else, okay? It is real money. It's real money. And I mean, it's unbelievable that you're getting paid when you're not driving the traffic, okay? So you're making videos that influence buyer decisions. Okay, people are dropping down on the product pages to see something, and they have questions, and they watch the videos, and hopefully the videos answer their questions and create a purchase. That's what the Amazon influencer program is. If that's something that you think you can do, apply. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. The next video is popping up. YouTube thinks you should watch next. Okay, they've done a lot of research, and this is the video you need to see next. Subscribe to the channel.